Why, hello there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Devin, if you are new, and this is going to be a whole series called HelloFresh Unsponsored Reviews. Because yes, I am not sponsored. I'm probably one of the only few YouTubers here not sponsored by HelloFresh. And I've been seeing like a lot of ads from them. Like every ad I see is a HelloFresh ad. So I decided to buy it, and today we are going to try Tostadas Supremo with pork. This is what we're going to try. And we're going to see, it says prep time 10 minutes, cook time 30 minutes. I'm a beginner cook, so this is going to take you probably like an hour, to be honest. Because looking at this, I don't know what the hell any of this means. So we're going to get started here and pretty much just see, is HelloFresh worth the price? Because like it's expensive, am I right? Okay, so these are the ingredients that came inside the bag there. They have it right here, but an important thing to note real quick is this part where it says bust out. So these are the stuff it doesn't come with. Obviously not the pans and of course or the bowls, but kosher salt, black pepper, and olive oil. It did not come in the ingredients here. I had to provide it, which I don't even have olive oil, turns out, so I gotta use sesame oil. Now, one thing I specifically remember, and pretty much every advertisement HelloFresh has, is that they say all of your ingredients come in the bag. Well, they didn't. Could this be false advertisement? No, I do not know how to chop, guys. This is nothing new here, okay? You know, you should really subscribe to my channel, watch my Sunday Grubs. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Guys, my arm is tired of doing this right now. Right. Makes you feel better. I have a little bit of a shoulder injury, okay? I'm not weak. I'm dealing with injuries right now. It's out of my control. But I'm trying. I'm trying.
Okay.
So, we just saw it say 4 to 5 minutes per side. Did not keep a close eye on them. And this happened. Left it on for 4 minutes and it got pretty burnt. So, yay. Tastes pretty burnt. You put some ketchup on it, I'm sure it'll taste fine. So, step 5 here. Now I'm going to make the cream. Just want to show you. The meat's looking pretty good. However, our last 3 tortillas looks odd. Like this one. Like, is it supposed to be like that? Alright. So, now it's time for the build. What? We had extra. Right. Dude, we're gonna have so much meat.
Yep.
Yeah. I tried.
You don't want to use a spoon.
You know what? That makes sense. This tastes good.
Okay. Pre-eating much?
What? Like we have extra.
Cheater.
Hey.
You did take a long time trying to do that little patch.
I am new at this, okay? You get extra sour cream because you're special. Alright, so now we gotta try these out. So, we're gonna sit down now and try these out. Okay, so we are sitting down now and we're gonna try each one of them. I think this one's yours.
Doesn't matter.
I mean, this one has a lot more pepper, so I have this one.
Wow.
It smelled weird, okay? Like, it smelled weird. I'm trying it. I never had it before, but I was not a fan of the smell. It's like jalapenos. I don't like jalapenos.
Jalapenos.
No. So, you gotta fold this now. So, hold on. You
don't have to.
You gotta even out the sour cream. You know?
So.
Yeah. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's pretty good. I like it. Like it? Okay, so it's time for the review. Now, this review is going to be based off of 3 categories that I created. It's going to be taste, cooking, and nutrition. So the first category, taste, I'm going to have to give these little tacos a 9 out of 10, okay? They tasted phenomenal. It's not no street tacos. Nothing can beat street tacos, okay? Nothing can. But these were incredibly incredible, so I'm going to give them a 9 out of 10. Now, as for cooking, though, I'm going to have to give this a 7 out of 10. And this is just because I don't think it's as beginner friendly as they're making it out to be. Lots of the wording is confusing on there. I wish they explained stuff more, such as like zest, for example, right? Like, I know what zest is, so you had to look it up. Luckily, I just happened to buy one yesterday, not really knowing what it was, but I bought it. But the little mini one, right? And I wish they explained, like, you just put a little sprinkle in it. Because they're making it seem like you have to zest the entire lime and then cut it, when really out in reality you could have literally just cut it into 4 slices like it said you should have, and you could have just zested a little bit, just get like a little, because it's just a sprinkle, you're sprinkling into the sour cream. So it was like a lot of wasted effort. I spent a lot of extra minutes doing that I could have saved. So I don't feel like it's as beginner friendly. I wish HelloFresh had instruction videos or cooking tutorials. When you click on the recipe that you want, cooking tutorial on how to do it. I really wish they did. And I understand why it's not on YouTube, because they want to keep the recipes to themselves. But on their actual website, after you purchase your box, I feel like they should have some kind of tutorials that show you how to do it. So for that, I'm going to give it a 7. Nutrition, though. Y'all, nutrition. Warning. Please, 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 please click it and look at it before you just say you want to get it. Okay, that's what I did. I was like, oh, these looked amazing. Click, and that's all I did. I didn't actually click it to see the full recipe, because I probably would not have made this decision. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a lot, okay? Nutrition is getting a 4, and I'm gonna explain why right now. This is not a weight loss friendly meal, okay? I thought it was 960 calories for 2 people, okay? No, it's for 1 person. 960 calories per serving. 1 person, not 2, 1. And I have the calories right here. I'm gonna read it out to you. It says nutrition values per serving. It says calories 960, fat 58 grams, saturated fat 22 grams, carbohydrate 73 grams, sugar 9 grams, dietary fiber 5 grams, protein 39 grams, cholesterol 140 milligrams, and sodium 2070 milligrams. So these are not the best micro or macronutrients in here at all, okay? This is not like 39 grams in total out of 960 calories. Like, of course it's expected because it's pork. It has a lot. Like 54% of the calories come from fat. And 22 grams of that come from saturated fat, okay? So not worth it. It's not incredibly filling like that. It can fill you up, but to that extent, no. So I said, unless you're going to break this up, I do not recommend it. So I'm going to give that a 4. So I said 974, so that's 20. 20 divided by 3 is probably about 6.8, 6.9, I'm going to have to say. So it does not pass, okay? And Texas, a 70 is considered a D here, so it gets an F. Just barely, but it still got an F. And of course, that's just my opinion, just off of the fact alone, is that it's just not beginner friendly as much, and it is not good there for weight loss per se. Nutrition is not good on this. It has so much sodium, has more than recommended sodium amount, I believe, daily. So, which I can understand sodium because they want to keep it, they want to preserve for a couple of days, but that's a lot of sodium. So no, I do not recommend, this one I would not recommend, okay? I really don't, but this was fun overall. I'm gonna keep getting tongue twisted right now, guys. I'm getting tongue twisted. I'm gonna keep doing these. Like I said, I have 2 more in this box over here alone, because I get 3 foods per box. I'm probably gonna order at least 1 or 2 more boxes just to give an overall review at the end. whether or not HelloFresh is actually worth it. So stay tuned for episode 2. Thank y'all here so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please let me know what you think. If you have any recommendations, if you've tried HelloFresh and you think there's one I should absolutely try and you like it, then I would say please comment, and I would definitely try to get one in my future boxes. Probably when you're seeing this, I'll probably get one more box, so just let me know. That way for the last box, I can put it in there. It's just that it's not really weight loss friendly. From what I'm seeing, all these recipes, to be honest, I'm looking at them now more detailed, they don't look weight loss friendly. Like some are like in the thousands of calories, you know? So I don't know if HelloFresh is actually for weight loss. I feel like HelloFresh is like if you really didn't care. It's just convenient and you just want to eat. You're not trying to lose weight and all that, or you have a lot of calories to play with. I feel like HelloFresh is for that so far from what I can tell, but only time will tell. So thank you so much there and have a good one.